Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Lisa Borata. I agree to be interviewed and to have this video published by Global Ace, Made Agency for purpose introducing myself to prospective employers. I understand that this video may be published on YouTube, social media, and other recruitment platforms. I'm 36 years old. I am separated and I have 3 children. Their ages are 13 and 10 and 7. I undergraduate high school. I have work experience in the Philippines for 3 years as housemaid, where I did general housework like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing. I also have overseas work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months, where cook took care of children, elderly, if any also did household chores. I can do general housework, cook simple meals, and I'm willing to learn more. I can also take care of babies, elderly people, and even bedridden patients with proper guidance. I understand and accept that 2 years contract in Malaysia. I agree to use my phone only after working hours. I am respectful, hardworking, and trustworthy. I hope you will consider for me for this opportunity. Thank you very much.